Hello, guys. So, first off, I'm trying something new. I am using Streamlabs. So, Streamlabs, by the way, is uh, software that allows you to stream pretty easily. But, anyways, a lot new, a lot of new and different updates for 2023. We finally made a Google Cloud instance. So the Google Cloud instance utilizes four NVIDIA L4 GPUs that we hopefully plan on using for algorithmic testing. Again, none of the updates, by the way, in relation to Stark drones is actually investment or financial advice or anything like that. We're just trying to provide generic technical updates. Besides that, as you heard, there is the announcement of BitBats's beta. So, beta for BitBats will potentially be coming quite soon, and we've done a lot in terms of like the front end. Trevor done a lot in terms of developing this. BitBats might actually potentially be the preferred blockchain for a lot of the supply chain things that Stark Drones wants to do. So stay tuned for updates and an actual announcement in regards to when BitBats' beta could potentially be live. Besides that, there's also Starcom Global, which I don't know if you heard about the Starcom Global website, but in case you didn't, it's starcom.io. We've made this entire website from scratch. Well, I, the founder, developed it, and there's a lot of different pages. Plausible Analytics is installed on the actual website in itself, and I urge you to check it out. We want to have CubeSat launching as a service, so we want to basically be able to integrate this service where people are able to inquire and we're able to actually launch CubeSats potentially in their area through aerosats and all that. So it's a very interesting time for Stark drones, and this was something that we wanted to push. Another few updates is Inquire page. As you know, there's been all these new presentations on there, which was announced a while ago. This phone number is potentially no longer active. I am looking into that. Besides that, there is there is this new presentation which talks a lot about technologies that Stark Drones does want to work on. And this presentation is, I believe, is definitely worth looking into. But this is a state of business presentation for going into 2023. So none of what is mentioned in this deck is investment or financial advice. Information is provided as is. Some of the technologies seen here are undergoing various stages of R&D and serious development. That being said, we have obviously the CubeSats. Stark Drones has created the Starkcom Global brand, which is its CubeSat launch services that does internet balloon launches as a service. This service does launches for as little as $17,500, including Aerostat, per CubeSat in comparison to $350K to $2.8 million industrial satellite launches as a cost-efficient alternative to provide connectivity to rural communities. More information is available at the Starcom website, the Starcom Global website, which is starcom.io. And then Star Compute modules, which the main goal is rethinking computation. So Star Compute modules are embedded IoT devices for the 21st century, acts as a gateway for Starcom global CubeSat launches, signal computing as a service for industrial manufacturing, smart grid infrastructure, smart lighting, energy management, and other use cases, various built-in components that are programmable with SerpStack, and top-tier open-source messaging protocols and IoT dashboards. Stark Drones IoT offerings, so they're portable IoT solutions for the modern world. And we're doing these small devices built with off-the-shelf components and programmed with various algorithms for efficient energy management, waste management, and battery monitoring solutions. cost-effective and portable, scalable, and built for citizen science or social good initiatives, and are targeted toward third world countries and territories that need top-tier embedded IoT solutions at a secondary tier price. So Stark Drone's aquatic wireless networks is cleaning contamination in our waters. That's the goal. Embedded IoT solutions in underwater wireless networks and sensors for real-time toxin detection networks. Our own wireless networks that it utilizes acoustics and proprietary techniques for underwater connectivity. Remote control and semi to eventually fully autonomous deployment of mineral offloading for carbon capturing into oceans and oceanic cleanup. Stark Drone's water harvesting, which is eventual potential water from air harvesting solutions. Reverse HVAC and solar technologies to provide clean drinking water by harnessing the power of the sun in drought-driven areas or places without clean drinking water. Again, sorry for the long pause. Bunch going on, but devices that are nearly half the size of a vehicle can be built in extremely hot regions and harvest water from solar energy. So reverse HVAC technology exists, and a prototype is in progress. Testing is limited around weather cycles because of our location in Michigan, as you've seen from like the test from the year prior, but promising temperature changes have happened in the radiator. Data is limited. Testing was the year prior. Stark Drones firefighting drones, which is forest fires need to be contained, obviously. That's the mission. Developmental WIP work in progress as of end of quarter 4 2023. The drone frame has been built and most of the core electronics has been purchased. The idea is for autonomous and semi-autonomous drones releasing dry chemical solution with water becoming foam across a large forest fire, or for drones that drop fire deterrent blankets across buildings before the fire starts. And then Stark Drone CAS batteries, which are compressed air battery systems. 1/7 the price of comparable lithium-ion batteries for premium quality compressed air energy storage enclosed batteries. Can be charged in as little as 15 seconds time with an air compressor. Great for power tools and with devices that have as much as likely 10,000 charge cycles or more before mechanical wear. Testing to be done. And then Stark Drones dashboards, real-time dashboards for monitoring. So being built to monitor real-time data through various methods, including SerpStack and various IoT dashboard offerings, under preliminary beta testing and should be near ready for mass deployment. And then Stark Drones grids, which are distributed P2P systems and networks. Stark Drones have built various models of peers and gateways and have undergone various forms of testing. We want to offer massive P2P data syndication for manufacturing, healthcare, and various other use cases. Our models for data transmission aim to be different than what is out there or more affordable for the average consumer. Stark Drones Internet Balloons, the future of citywide telemetry. Setting ourselves up as an easy-to-deploy method for WLAN connectivity or citywide telemetry needs, such as LoRaWAN. Being built to carry Stark Drones CubeSats via Aerostat and eventually connect to compute modules gateways. Aim to be fully competitively priced deployment method. Aim to be a fully competitively priced deployment method and part of the StarkCom global brand, ready to undergo beta testing in applicable cities and high-rise commercial buildings. And then Stark Drones communication channels, the future of socialization. MVP has been built through the previously existing StartHub Messenger application. Aims to undergo a closed and reserved limited beta before rollout. Still a few bugs to be investigated, but this is pre-beta. Aims to be a social networking hub and application for everything from learning to shopping to actually job searching or meeting up in groups. Being built with privacy preservation in mind. Stark Drones advocacy, which is getting our message across. So the Stark Drones founder, which is myself, I know it's weird speaking in third person, but anyways, the Stark Drones founder attends or speaks at multiple events in order to bring awareness to Stark Drones and its core technologies. Our YouTube channel have already received a YouTube Silver Play button last year and has over 178K plus subscribers. We aim to have brand ambassadors and technological evangelists going into next year with potential new program rollouts. Stark Drones Electric Flying Vehicles, the future of transport. This has been a concept since the starting of Stark Drones, along with various VTOL concepts and other aeronautical concepts. Funding is limited in this front, but we have various designs in mind. Stark Drones SPUAVs, the future of sustainable rocketry. SPUAVs stand for Steam-Powered Unmanned Aerial Vehicles. In concept mode right now with the Stark Drone Spaceplane V1 having already started its build. Could roll out to beta if funding and contracts were available. A FAA flyer or testing location is needed for our current in-progress prototype. Stark Drones Remote Labs, the future of lab spaces. We have various concepts in place and are already seeking out funding as well as city ordinance approval for potential lab spaces. This could take a while, and a lab space is one of the main reasons Stark Drones has sought after equity crowdfunding. Algorithmic competition offerings, the future of crowdsourcing, ACOs or ACO. The website algocoin.io has already been built. An MVP is being developed and is a work in progress. We are getting ready to offer some of our first offerings. We have tested crowdsourced innovation before through various websites, repos, and phases. And again, the future of crowdsourcing. Sorry about that. But scalable software offerings, the future of the web. So digitalcpr.vc has already been built as a website, and local and legal registry was set up a while ago, which is exempt, registered advisor, all that. Again, same legal disclaimer as prior. Many software offerings exist, including bidbatches.org and the development of LaunchScript, Stark Maps, Stark Chain, and many others. The city of tomorrow is the city of today. So disclaimer, as mentioned, none of this is investment advice nor solicitation for an investment. Information is provided as is, and please do your own research. But anyways, there are a lot of goals, obviously, going into the end of the year, especially going into 2024 and all that. So I just wanted to give this quick list of updates and all these presentations because I do believe the technology could be utilized to benefit humanity, and there are a lot of goals in regards to doing that and a lot of hope for the future. Thank you guys, and have a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays.